notes here. If you live around an area where you have winter, you will know that at some point of the year you have to change between the summer tires and winter tires. On today's video, I'm going to just do that. Here's my winter tire set. I'm going to mount it on my car. Here's my back winter tire. So I am using the BMW OEM 437M wheel, and I paired it with the Michelin Pilot Alpine 4. Now this is 265/40/19, and you see with that 40 sidewall it is really meaty. As you know, if you follow me, I love meaty tires. Now this is a brand new tires, and the reason I actually went with 265/40/19 is that this specific tire was on sale and I really got a good deal on this. So I decided to just use this size, and then next time that I'm buying tires again for winter, I might go with the 275/35/19. For the front tire, I'm actually using a different brand. Here I had Michelin on the back. On the front I have Bridgestone Blizzak LM32. This is a great tire, and I'm also again pairing it with the 437M. So on the size here I want 255/35/19, and I think this is going to help me very well during the snow season. Now these are directional tire. It means that these two can only come on this side of the car. So I'll go ahead now and mount them, and you will see the final product. Again, I am selling these summer tires here. Those are the ones that I remove from my set when I purchased the winter tire. So let me go ahead and mount these on the car. Here are my summer back tires. These are Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss 285/30/20. So I think soon enough I will have to change this specific tire on the back, because I have about maybe one more summer here with this one. So as you can see, this is the caliper and the wheel arch area, 10mm spacers. Look how nice the car look with it wheel stud conversion. Again, this rust will go away once I start driving the car. Not too much to see here. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to compare this next year to see what kind of damage the winter driving is going to give to the car. Now since I have this out, let me go ahead and clean up these calipers a little bit so they look more decent. For this winter set, I'm going to swap the 10mm here with this 15mm that I was using. So I'm going to have 15mm all around. So let me go ahead and remove that. When you are using good spacers, they should come with this little hole here where you can actually put a screwdriver to push it. And look how easy it is to remove it when you have that right here. Now let me go ahead and mount the 15mm. It's as simple as just doing this, lining up, and bam, that's it. So easy when you have the wheel stud conversion. Let me go ahead now and mount the other tire, and I am set for this one. For the front tires here, again, OEM specs 265/30/20. I have so much tire tread left. I think this is going to be maybe 2 more summer with these ones before I got to swap them. If you know these cars, you know that you always have to change the back tire more than the front tires, because everything is happening on the back, all the slide, burnout, and all of that. This side is complete, so here is the finished product. You can see the front here seems like I might need maybe 18mm here, but I think this is fine. On the back here, you have a meaty tire. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Oh Lord, this is meaty as hell. I love it. So you can see how concave these are. You can see the angle here. Same here, you can see the angle, concave. I love these 437 wheels. So let me go ahead now and do the other side. Drive the car around and then take some pictures for you guys. So everything is done. I have moved the car forward and backwards for the wheel to set it to the proper area, and now all I have to do is torque to spec. So the specs here to torque it is 109. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and torque it, then take it out on that spot so you can see the wheels pretty well. One rule of thumb when deciding when is a good time to change your summer tires or winter tire set is doing this simple. October, April. This is October, and usually this is around this time that the temperature is starting to drop, and April is around the time where the temperature is raising. Now this is just for the region I am living. Now if you want to find a big rule that you can use for any area, just look at it. Whenever the temperatures are between 30 and 40 degrees, it's time for you to put your winter tires. Whenever the temperature is starting to go above that range, that means it's time for you to put your summer tires. So right now we're hitting already 30s, so I decided to go ahead and put my winter tire set. So let me go ahead and show you how everything looks with the car outside. So if we come closely, you can see the little poke here, and you can see the concaveness of these 437 amps. Let's walk to the front. You can see again almost no poke here. I'm not sure why, but this is okay for me. But you can definitely see how concave these wheels are. It makes the car looks completely black. That's why my friend called this Batman M3. Nice look. Yeah, man. So on this note, let me see you on the next video. Be safe. Make sure you subscribe, like this video if you like this type of content, and be safe, man.